Cruise by Mandy on board the Sky Princess. As with all cruise ships, there is shopping that you can do. There will be local items, there will be clothing items, there will be ship items. In this case, there's inaugural items as well. Went ahead and purchased mine. Also make sure, double check your discounts. Whatever cruise line you're always on, you want to make sure that whatever level you are at, as far as being repeat cruiser, like on here, platinum or elite, check your discounts. Make sure you've got that discount on there that you qualify for based on your past cruise experience with the cruise line. And the last night, you always want to grab things while you can. Here on board the Sky Princess, there's a lot of inaugural items, being the inaugural season. You've got your cups, your t-shirts, your jackets, everything else. But again, when you check out, always make sure that your discount's being applied. Cruise by Mandy, signing off from shopping. I'll see you at the naming ceremony in the morning.